Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Dasgupta, consultant gynecologist and infertility and IVF specialist. Today, we are going to discuss about painful sex, that is the pain women feel during sex. What are the reasons? If any woman complains of painful sex, we need to find out whether the pain is at the point of entry or whether the pain is occurring when the penis is deep inside the vagina, because the reasons are different and the treatment are different. That's why we need to know at what point it's causing the pain. If the pain is at the point of entry, it may be because of vaginal dryness or it may be because of some infections like vulvovaginitis or herpes infection. If it's because of infection, we need to find out the cause and we need to give antibiotics, and after giving the antibiotics, the problem may be solved. But what's about vaginal dryness? Many a times the vaginal dryness is because of lack of foreplay. That is, if the man is not giving adequate time in foreplay and if he is in hurry to insert inside, in that case it can cause pain. Therefore, in that case, we ask the men to have adequate time in foreplay and then insert inside. Sometimes people are asking whether we can use lubricant. Of course, can use lubricants, but remember, if you are using lubricants, sometimes some lubricants may cause damage to the sperms. Therefore, if you are planning for pregnancy, don't use ordinary lubricants. There are some specialized lubricants that can be sperm friendly and that can be used. But again, remember, most of the times lubricants are not required, because if you have adequate foreplay, it can cause adequate vaginal secretion and it can solve the problem of vaginal dryness. But of course, if you are not planning for pregnancy, you can use lubricants. But remember, sometimes you can have allergy to lubricants. Therefore, be careful before using the lubricants. Sometimes the vaginal dryness may be some hormonal problems like thyroid problem, diabetes or menopause. In that case, we have to find out the cause and give treatment accordingly. If the problem is because of menopause, that is, if your periods have stopped permanently, in that case, hormonal therapy can work well. Now the second thing, if you are having pain when the penis is deep inside the vagina, what are the reasons? There are different causes like infections, or sometimes it may be because of a disease called endometriosis. We are not discussing about details of endometriosis today because we are having lots of video about endometriosis. Please have a look into those videos which you can find in Facebook page of YouTube channel. How we can treat endometriosis? The treatment depends on severity of pain, whether you have pain during periods, the cyst size if you have any chocolate cyst, or whether you want to have pregnancy. And depending on the cause, we can do hormonal treatment, that is giving treatment by medicines, or we can do some surgery. Sometimes the pain may be because of infection, as I mentioned. We need to give antibiotics to cure the infections. Or sometimes the pain may be because of fibroids. In that case, we need to remove the fibroids. But there are third category of women who are not feeling pain at the point of entry or when the penis is deep inside, but they are apprehensive. They are afraid that it can cause pain, and when the husband is about to enter inside the vagina, they feel very scared and they don't allow it. This is a disease, this is called vaginismus. Remember, vaginismus is a disease and it has solution. It does not mean that you are having some mental problem, that's why you are having vaginismus. Of course, vaginismus is a disease, but we can have lots of treatment options like some dilated therapy, some sex therapy, some sex sensate focusing. All of this can help you to get rid of this disease. Therefore, if you are having painful sex, please don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. There are solutions available, but we need to find out the cause why it's paining. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to contact us through our Facebook page or YouTube channel.